if you're learning Maya and your character head always looks wrong, stop modeling right now because I'm going to show you some few tips and tricks so where you can enhance your skill and make your model in a very proper topology. So it's not because you're bad at Maya, and it's definitely not because you don't know the tool. I mean, like most beginner fail at head modeling because they start with the wrong thinking and not with the wrong topology. So, I mean, if you fix this one basic concept, your head will instantly look more professional and more experienced artist, like So, even with the simple and very low geometry. So, I mean, without further delay, let's get started with the tutorial, and I'll show you how you can uh, make a proper topology with a very long polygons. Meanwhile, you can just subscribe my channel, and yeah, let's get started. Hello guys, hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm covering this head modeling. I'm going to share you with my production experience, and after these tutorials, like you are able to make this proper and clean topology. So please support me and subscribe my channel. So let's I'm creating on one cube with a very low subdivision, and just to make sure that your subdivision is very low. So I mean, it's better for you to make an proper topology. So start with the very low subdivision, and place your vertex and move your vertex according to the reference. Move very precisely. Like I said, it's very low polygon, so it's very easy for you to move and place according to the borderline of the reference, and keep upgrading your model with the extra subdivision. So first make a layout, and after that, once you're happy with the layout, you can start adding extra segments. So after one smooth, now I can see there's a few more segments that I've added in my model, and now after that I'm start manipulating the vertex and try to match with the reference. But yeah, I mean, like keep in mind that don't just panic and don't just start with a very high modeling, high polygon modeling. It will be very difficult for like beginners to manage and to understand the full edge flow. So that's why I'm insisting everyone to always start with the as low as possible. So now I'm pressing the 3 and using my smooth tool to get exact shape and look, and working in the front view and as well as the side view also, just to make sure that our object is properly aligned with the reference. So as you can see, I'm playing with the vertex, and now I'm pressing the B, the shortcut key to smoothing the object. So because currently I have very lot of polygons right now. Playing with the manual vertex, it will be very difficult for you. So always press the B to make it smooth. That's easy for you to manipulate the vertex. So now after measuring this, if you can see, now my model is almost complete, and it's very very easy way. And now if you can see, the flow of the vertex and edge is always, and also is very clean and proper. So I would suggest you to please go with the and follow the same step. You will get the exact same model, and in a very low polygon also, and in a very good workflow also. So keep supporting me, and I would recommend you to please subscribe my channel.